Hey everyone, today I'm unboxing the refurbished iPhone X. This phone was released in 2017. It was the first iPhone with a notch and no touch ID. Back then, it sold for nearly 1 lakh rupees in India and many people were excited about its new design. Today I'm checking out this iPhone X, which is almost 8 years old. I bought this refurbished phone from your website. Let's see what's inside the box. Not only that, I'm also using the 3U software tool to check the battery health, as many of you who watched my iPhone 13 mini review asked me to do. Nowadays, the refurbished market can be full of scams. Some sellers manipulate the battery health readings by using other devices to hide the true performance. Let's see if that is true with this refurbished unit. Inside the box, you get the phone, some warranty cards and information, a SIM ejector pin and a USB-C to Lightning cable. There is no charger provided in the box. If you want one, you can purchase it from the website for an extra cost, but keep in mind that it's not an original charger. I got this phone for around 16,245 rupees including the offers. The phone is packed in its small box. After taking the mobile in my hand, the first impression was that it feels comfortable to hold with one hand. I thoroughly checked the entire phone for any physical damage or dents. I expected it to have many scratches and dents, but surprisingly, it looks almost brand new. There are a few dots on the back side, likely due to the previous owner using a low quality case. The display is in excellent condition with no noticeable scratches and the buttons work perfectly. Overall, even though it's labeled as a fair model, the phone is in superb or good condition. I set up the iPhone quickly and see you at the main screen. If you need help on how to set up your iPhone, check out my other video, especially if you are coming from Android. After a successful setup, some apps are downloading in the background. Meanwhile, we check the storage. This is the 256GB model with 6GB of RAM and about 245GB is free. I also got the latest update, which is iOS 16.7.11. Of course, this is the final update. Maybe this mobile is not updated to that. I'll download it later. Now let's take a look at the battery health using the 3U software tool. I connected the phone to my laptop using a USB-C to Lightning cable. I opened the 3U software and it detected my iPhone immediately. There is a lot of information on the screen, but I have blurred out the sensitive details to protect privacy. As you can see, the battery is like new. Its health is at 100% and it has only been charged once. You can also verify this on the phone. The maximum battery capacity is 100%. Now you know that the battery health is genuine for this refurbished unit. I also tested the camera, sound, touch and other functions. Everything is working great. I checked the model number in the settings of this mobile and it doesn't end with an F. This shows it was not typical refurbished phone, but someone sold it for either exchange or cash. Deals like this are very rare, but note that the website doesn't disclose the serial number before purchase, which adds an element of suspense when you use the phone. The main reason for buying this iPhone X in 2025 is to check its current performance and see if it's still suitable for use today. I'll be posting dedicated videos on various tests, so if you don't want to miss out, hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in another video.